Okay, third one, taking power as a power. Let's say for example, yeah, here we having 2 power 3 whole to the power of 2. Okay, yeah, here, yeah, taking power as a power. Okay, here these two, this 2 is the base. Okay, here 3 and 2 are the exponents. Okay, here 2 power 3 whole to the power of 2, 3 is the power, 2 is as we taking as another power. Okay, yeah, taking power as a power, 2 cube whole to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2. Let's see, yeah, what is the meaning this. Yeah, here 2 to the power of 3 is multiplying 2 times. Okay, if we take this one number, yeah, this is we take exponent. Yeah, here 2 to the power of 3 is multiplying 2 times, which means 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3. Okay, we know that here we are having 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 3, which means we know that 2 to the power of 3 means 2 is multiplying here 2 times. Okay, which means, sorry, 3 times. 2 to the power of 3 means 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. And then here also same, 2 is multiplying 3 times. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2, which means yeah, 2 is multiplying how many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, yeah, 2 to the power of 6. It means, yeah, 2 to the power of 3 into 2. Okay, we have to multiply these exponents. Okay, 3 into 2, how much, 3 2s are 6, we get 2 power 6. Okay, we take one more example, that is 3 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 4. Okay, yeah, here, yeah, 3 to the power of 2 whole to the power of 4, which means 3 to the power of 2 is multiplying how many times, 4 times. So 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. Okay, again here what it means, 3 to the power of 2 means 3 is multiplying 2 times, so we can write it as a 3 into 3. Here also same, 3 into 3, and then 3 into 3. Here also same, 3 into 3. Yeah, the totally 3 is multiplying how many times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 times. Okay, 3 to the power of 8, it means 3 to the power of 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 4. Okay, yeah, when we are taking a power as a power, then we have to multiply the powers. Okay, here 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8, like this. Okay, we have to multiply their powers in generally. Okay, in generally we take a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Okay, a to the power of m, it means here a is 3, 3 square means a to the power of m, whole to the power of 4 means whole to the power of n, a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Yeah, what it means, we can a to the power of m into n, it means mn or m into n. Okay, this is a third law. When we are taking power as a power, we have to multiply their powers. Okay, we have to multiply these powers. Okay, we take power as a power. Okay, we have to multiply the powers. Okay, yeah, this is the third one. Okay, let's see the fourth one. The fourth one law is, yeah, multiplying powers with the same exponents. Okay, multiplying powers with same exponents. Let's see how do we multiply the powers with the same exponents. For example, we are having 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3. Here base is different. Here base is having 2, here we are having 3, but powers are same. Here also we are having power 3, here also we are having power 3. Then how then what we do, let's see. Yeah, here 2 to the power of 3, which means 2 is multiplying 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and then here 3 is multiplying 3 times, which means 3 into 3 into 3. Yeah, this is the meaning of 3 to the power of 3. Okay, now we have to multiply the 1 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Yeah, here, yeah, we are having 2 is multiplying 3 times, 1 2 3, and 3 is multiplying 3 times, 1 2 3. Okay, we have to multiply this. 3 2s are 6 into 3 2s are 6 into 3 2s are 6. Okay, here the 6 is multiplying 3 times, so we can write it as a 6 to the power of 3. Okay, we can say that 6 to the power of 3. It means, yeah, it means 2 into 3. We have to multiply the base. Okay, 2 into 3, that is equal to 6 to the power of 3. Okay, the power is same 3, but we have to multiply the base. Okay, we have to multiply base. If the powers are same, okay, if the powers are same, then we have to multiply the base. We can easily multiply the base. In generally, a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Here base are different, a and b, but power is same, m and m. Then what we do, we have to multiply the base, which means ab to the power of m. Okay, we have to write same power, but we have to multiply the base. Okay, this is multiplying the powers with the same exponents. Okay, this is the fourth law. Okay, if the powers are same, then we can easily multiply the base. Okay, here if the base when we taking power has a power, then we have to multiply the powers. Okay, next fifth one is dividing powers with the same exponents. Okay, for example, we take 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. Yeah, here we having powers are same 4 and 4, but base are different. Okay, dividing the powers with the same exponents. Okay, these exponents are same. Then what we do, let's see. Yeah, here we having 2 to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 4. We can write it as, yeah, we can the 2 is 4 times, which means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by, here 3 is multiplying 4 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now we can write it as a 2 by 3. We can write it as 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 1 2 3 4. Okay, the 2 is multiplying 4 times, 1 2 3 and 4. 3 is multiplying 3 times, 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, here 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Here the 2 by 3 is multiplying how many times? 4 times. So we can write it as a 2 by 3 whole to the power of 4. Yeah, it means yeah, we take the power as same. Yeah, in generally we take a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Here the powers are same, but bases are different. Here a and b, the powers are same. A to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. We can write it as a divided by b whole to the power of m. Okay, this is the fifth law. Okay, this is the fifth law. These are all the laws of exponents. Okay, the first one law is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, yeah, the second one, yeah, a to the power of m divided by b to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m divided by, sorry, a to the power of n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Okay, the third one is, yeah, taking power has a power, which means a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Okay, that is equal to a to the power of mn, which means m into n. Okay, and then the fourth one is multiplying power with the same exponents. Okay, which means a to the power of m into b to the power of m, that is equal to ab whole to the power of m. And then the fifth one is dividing the powers with the same exponents. It means a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equal to a divided by b whole to the power of m. Okay, these are all the 5 laws of exponents. Okay students, in this class we learned about the laws of exponents. In next class we will solve the problems based on these laws. Okay, thank you.